You know what I see a lot? Women struggling with bloating, fatigue, stubborn weight loss, and hormonal shifts like they're separate problems. But honestly, they're usually not. I know this personally because these are some of the issues that I have faced, and what I realized, nothing happens in a vacuum. A lot of times it is the gut that is driving the problem. If your gut or your digestion is off, it can affect several different things. It can affect inflammation or cause inflammation. It can affect your energy, how you eliminate waste, and more importantly, how you absorb nutrients. And here's the thing that I didn't understand until I dealt with my own issues. Hormones don't operate in a vacuum. Stress, blood sugar, sleep, gut health, they all affect how the body feels day to day. Now here's what that looks like in real life. A woman doing everything right. She's eating clean, she's working out, she's taking her supplement. Even with all those things in place, she can still feel puffy, or she can look puffy, she can feel tired, and her weight is stuck on the scale. And this is not because she's not trying hard enough, but really it comes down to most of the time when you go to the doctor and you go to your gynecologist or endocrinologist, and then you go to a gastrointestinal specialist, they don't look at the system as one. They address each individual system that they actually specialize in. And I understand from a legal standpoint why that's important, because if you have test results and it shows positive for any pathology or any issues within that blood work, that doctor is now responsible. So if you fix one symptom and you watch other symptoms pop up over and over again, that's your sign. That's exactly the pattern that I want you to start noticing. Because the goal is not to treat every symptom like it lives on its own. The goal is to see the pattern underneath them. This is the exact pattern that I walk women through before we ever get into one-to-one work. That's why I created the gut and hormone reset work, to help you to see what's actually connected. If you want it, check the link in the comment.